Hello everyone. Today we'll take you to visit the whole car production factory, from 0 to 1 all-round show of fine car, how to step-by-step manufacturing. You must not miss this opportunity. In today's video, we will explain the most mainstream and efficient automotive manufacturing standardized process in the world from 4 aspects. Firstly, let's look at the stamping process. In this stage, we use advanced stamping equipment to process sheet metal into individual parts of the car. Through high-precision molds, we ensure that the size and shape of each part meets the design requirements. A car's sporty front face, streamlined front and back, the flat waistline of this body, the shape of the doors, the shape of the bonnet, and the unseen chassis are all built in one piece in the stamping process. Next is the welding section. In this stage, we use robot welding technology to weld the stamped parts precisely. Robot welding not only improves the precision and consistency of welding, but also greatly reduces the error of manual welding. After the welding is completed, the structure of the body is much stronger, which lays a good foundation for the subsequent coating and final assembly. Welding will be completed into the laser detection of the region, mainly for the laser to confirm the accuracy of the position of each welded joint. The error must be very small. Laser detection can be done how small it can ensure that the welded joints of the error in the standard position of 0.2 mm or less. 0.2 mm is what? Even a hair is thicker than it. The third big part is coating. We use fully automated ABB brand robotic arm for spraying, in addition to coating beautiful color paint and shiny varnish. The most important function is the anti-corrosion and anti-rust treatment of the whole car. In the coating workshop, Dongfeng Liuzhou motor uses high-grade 2K varnish spraying materials to treat the surface of the welded body. Through the multi-layer coating process, it not only improves the appearance quality of the car, but also enhances the corrosion and wear resistance of the body. Every car body in the stamping, welding process, there will inevitably be dust. Particulate matter stays on the surface of the body, so all have to go through a cleaning process is in cleaning it. After washing in a solvent at 50 degrees Celsius, it is also necessary to cold water rust cleaning, and then do a phosphating treatment. After phosphating, and then deactivation, which is to prevent the metal from being corroded, increase the durability of the use of coat. Finally, there is the final assembly. In this stage, the dashboard and seats of the car's interior, and the engine, transmission, suspension, and tires of the chassis will be assembled to form a complete car. Through efficient assembly line operations, it is ensured that each car can be assembled in a short period of time. Meanwhile, the strict quality inspection process ensures that every car is strictly inspected before leaving the factory to meet high-quality standards. Above is the whole process of the 4 major parts of our car manufacturing. I believe that see here, you have understood the car manufacturing. Want to know more information? Contact us.